Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you like to see this makeup look that I did, um, just keep watching this. And if you guys want me to do more of these videos, give this video 80 likes. And yeah, I hope you guys like my first makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with a clean face, and I'm going to apply primer by Wet n Wild. It is important to have a primer for your foundation so it can settle. Next, we're gonna apply the foundation in the shade 3.15 by Smashbox. You'll need a damp sponge so your foundation can blend more nicely. I really like this foundation because when it dries up, it's like matte. It's important to also get your neck too, so your neck doesn't look like a different color from your face. Never put foundation directly on your nose because it's gonna look cakey when you try blending it, and always put the foundation around your nose and then put it on your nose. Now we're going to be doing our brows with the Anastasia brow pencil that I have. It's in the color Ebony. If I was you, I wouldn't really be worrying about messing up because you could just cover it with concealer later on when you're done with your brows. Now I'm going to be using this concealer by Wet n Wild. I'm not sure exactly what color is it in, but it was on sale, so you don't need to put concealer all over around your brow, but you can just put it where it needs to be fixed. Make sure it is well blended in. This is a bronzer from Revlon, and I am using a buffing brush to blend it in my cheeks and forehead, but you don't need a lot. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 100 powder foundation to bake my face. You are going to look like a ghost, but don't worry about that because you're going to take it off anyways when you're done with your eyes. Now I'm going to contour with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. It is important to make like a fish face while you're putting it on so you know where your cheekbones are. You basically apply it where the dark shades of your face is. It'll also help enhance your cheeks when you smile. I'm going to be using this brush. I don't know the name of this brush, but I got it online, so I'm going to use it to contour my nose. I'm going to use the side of this sponge, since it's thin, to bake my nose. I'm going to bake under my cheekbones so it can make my cheeks look cleaner. I really like this eyeshadow primer. It is by Urban Decay. It won't let my eyeshadow look all crusty throughout the day. This is my favorite Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to be using the shades Pooter and Pookie for the outer corner of my eyes. So you can see how I'm blending it and dabbing it so the color doesn't go all over the place. Now you see that I am going in with the color Silk Cream into the inner corner of my eyes, blending it to the outer. Since this is a natural look, it doesn't have to be perfect. highlighters from Kylie Barbell's palette into my brow and into the inner corner of my eye. Can't see it, but it says Cargo Cosmetics in the color Lake Geneva. What sucks is that I didn't get to film it applying it because my camera decided to die. Now I'm just brushing off all the Axis powder. I'm going back in with the Kylie Barbell palette using one of the eyeshadow to go close to my lashes under my eyes to get that nude smoky look. I'm going to be using this Bombshell mascara by CoverGirl for my upper lashes. Now I'm going to be applying this mascara on top of the other one. Not sure what the name is. My camera finally decided to die, so now I'm using my iPod. The highlighter right now I'm using the same that I put on my brows by the Kylie Barbell palette. My fingers are my favorite tools to use. Makes life easier. This is a clear lip gloss. Well, was a clear lip gloss, but then I mixed it with a nude lipstick. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to hit that Taco Bell button right next to the subscribe button. You know, it's gonna be somewhere in this video. So I hope you guys like this look that I did. See you guys in my next video, and bye.